Hello everyone, it's Solomon here, and if you want to participate in the Binance Football Fever 2022 to partake in the daily challenge and collect rewards, I'm going to show you everything in step by step in this video. Let's get right into it. If you are new to the channel, you're welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, you're welcome back. So you can find it right here on this carousel right now. You can see it displayed. All you have to do is to click on that and it will take you straight to the interface. I've made a video about this some few days back. Some people have tried it, and even me personally, I was not able to get the passport through the referral. I don't know what happened, but Binance had to adjust that. But right here, I will show you how to do it through holding the fan token. I will show you everything step by step. So the first thing you need to do once you come here is to read about this. You can see Binance Football Fever 2022, claim your NFT passport to join now. So basically Binance has allocated around $1 million for rewarding people that will participate in the daily challenge. I think this is like a free money. Go ahead and participate in predicting the football matches and then predicting the scores, and then you're going to be rewarded. So basically, once you come here, the first thing you will need to do is to take step 1, register and log in. And then step 2, you claim your passport. The passport can be claimed in 2 ways. One, you're supposed to invite somebody to join this particular event with your link, or you can alternatively buy a fan token that is allocated by Binance, such as Lazio, Porto, and different fan token. I tried inviting people, but still I could not claim my passport, so I had to buy and hold one of the fan token. I will show you how to do this. You're not dashing Binance your money. Actually, all you are doing is that you're holding the fan token, and then if you like, after the event, you can go ahead and sell it back to your money. So all you have to do, if you come to where you see passport right here, right now you can see that invalid passport because I sold back the fan token, so my passport is invalid. If I click on passport now, you're supposed to get one passport if you invite somebody to join, or you can simply buy a fan token. So I'll go ahead and buy a fan token, just one of the fan token, and then I'll show you how this passport is allocated to me. So all I have to do is to click on buy, or you can alternatively click on invite. So I will click on buy. After clicking on buy, I want to buy Porto. Simply click on Porto. It will take me to where I'm supposed to buy. I want to buy with BUSD. If you have USDT, you can use USDT. So I'll click on buy with BUSD. So it will bring me to this particular interface. So currently the price of this particular fan token, Porto, is around 5 point something USDT or BUSD. But I don't want to buy it in the spot wallet. I will simply come to convert, and then I will convert my BUSD to that particular fan token because it is charge free. So I'll simply click on this and then click on this, convert from BUSD to Porto. I will just put Porto. This is it. I'll click on Porto. So after clicking on Porto, I'll just put $6 because the price is around $5. So I will simply click on preview conversion, and then I will simply convert. Now I will have one of that fan token as my own. I have not dashed Binance the money. Your money is still there, but this time around it is in form of a fan token. If you go back to home, you're going to see it. So I will go back to that particular passport. You will see that I will be able to claim my NFT passport because I'm holding one of the fan token. If you like, you can sell it at any time. Let me show you how to do it. You can simply come here and you can select the Porto from Porto, right? Remember we had Porto to your USDT or BUSD. Let me click on BUSD. So you can simply do the same thing. If you click on max, you can go ahead and click on preview conversion, and it will go back to the same amount of BUSD. If you are even lucky and the price of that particular fan token goes up in value, you're going to have profit on that. So basically this is why Binance is saying you must hold one of that. So I'm going back there, and then I'm going to show you that now I have access to that. If I come to passport, you're going to see that I have access to that particular NFT passport. That is just like my ticket into this event. So you have seen that the invalid or not yet claimed has changed. So I can now participate in this event because I'm holding one fan token with me. So if I come to challenge, this is where I'm going to have access to participate in the daily challenge. So right here you can see ongoing daily challenge and then ended. So I will click on ongoing, and then I will click open. Now daily challenge 1, daily challenge 2, you have daily challenges every day. So I'll click on this. After clicking on this, now this is it. Share 15,000 worth of rewards today in CHZ token. We have Qatar against Ecuador. So I'm simply going to put what I feel the scores will be. I'm going to say 1 here. I'm going to say 2. So I'm expecting Ecuador to score Qatar 2. So I'm going to put submit if I want to click on submit. Remaining challenges left is 12. NFT reward, I will see every information here if I click to the down trade this against this now. So I'll click on submit. So you're going to see confirm. This is my challenge prediction. So let's see how it goes. Successfully submitted. Thanks for joining the daily challenge. Once the match ends, we will update the result and your rewards will be here soon. So once the match ends, I'm going to have my reward and then you're going to see it. So this is actually how to participate in the daily challenge. Now you can share this with anybody you want to share, and then the person can join this particular event too. If I click back, I can have access to join more challenges. Right now I've joined this one. I can click on this one to also join. So all you have to do is to click, and then you will have access to join all the challenge you are going to predict and submit. So the reward will come to you on a daily basis after the match has ended. So this is basically how to go about this, guys. It's easy to do that. You can hold one of the fan token by simply coming to passport and then have one of it. If you are not interested, you can convert it back to your USDT. So if you find value in this video, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel and ask me any question if you have any question at the end of this video. So thank you for watching. See you in another video.